Welcome to IB360. In this video, we are going to discuss the 11th problem of November HL 2018 paper. So let's start the problem. By writing pi by 12 as pi by 4 minus pi by 6, find the value of cos pi by 12 in the form root a plus root b divided by c, where a, b and c are integers to be determined. So this is again a very simple question. So we need to find out cos pi by 12. So our determination is to find out cos pi by 12, where pi by 12 is expressed as pi by 4 minus pi by 6. So in this way it is expressed. So ultimately we can write cos pi by 12 is equals to cos pi by 4 minus pi by 6, and we know the formula of cos a minus b equals to, we have the formula that is cos a, so cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So this is the formula. Obviously you need to remember all the formulas to get a good mark in your particular examination. So from here we can write it is cos pi by 4 cos pi by 6 plus sin pi by 4 into sin pi by 6. So the value of this will be root 2 by 2. Just we are taking in the format, it is basically 1 by root 2, so that it will be same. So that's why just how we will get that, root 2 by root 2 into root 2. So we are getting root 2 by 2. Just to get a particular solution in denominator 2, to keep the 2 in the denominator, we have just done this modification. So root 2 by 2 into root 3 by 2 plus root 2 by 2 into 1 by 2. So ultimately we are getting root 6 plus root 2 divided by 4. So this is the answer. So if you compare this from this particular equation, so a is equals to 6, b is equals to 2 and c equals to 4. So we have found our answer, that is a equals to 6, b equals to 2 and c equals to 4. So it is basically cos pi by 12. Now we will move towards the third question, and this is the last question of this particular problem. So let's solve this particular part. So before solving, we need to calculate one more thing for this question, that is cos 5 pi by 5 pi by 12. We need to find the value of this particular part. It will be needed for us. So we will find out cos 5 pi by 12. So again we can use the previous formula also, that is cos pi by 6 plus pi by 4. So the formula will be cos pi by 6 cos pi by 4 minus sin pi by 6 sin pi by 4. So we are getting the answer to be root 3 by 2 into root 2 by 2 minus we are getting 1 by 2 into root 2 by 2. So we are getting the answer to be root 6 minus root 2 divided by 4. Please keep this in mind, that is cos 5 pi by 12 is equals to root 6 minus root 2 divided by 4. Now the summation, we need to find out the summation. So let us start with the real part. So real s equals to, already we have done it, cos pi by 12 plus cos 2 pi by 12 plus cos 3 pi by 12 plus cos 4 pi by 12 plus cos 5 pi by 12. So this is the part. So from here we can write this, already we have calculated this part, that is root 2 plus root 6 divided by 4. These are the angles. Please try to understand the math properly, because this is very easy problem. And this is root 3 by 2 plus we have root 2 by 2 plus we have 1 by 2 plus we have root 6 minus root 2 divided by 4. So to find the value of this particular part, we have calculated it already. So from here we can write 1 by 2, then root 6 plus 1 plus root 2 plus root 3. Just simple common here. So we can write 1 by 2, then 1 plus root 2 into 1 plus root 3. Again, we can also write, that is, for s is equals to real s, we can write real sum into 1 plus I, as real sum is equals to imaginary sum. So this formula we can use, the sum is equals to real sum into 1 plus I. So ultimately the sum becomes, so s is equals to real sum into 1 plus I. So we can write the real sum is 1 by 2, 1 plus root 2 into 1 plus root 3, and this part, that is 1 plus I, it is added. So the value of s is determined. So in this way this problem is also done. So thank you for watching IB360. In next videos we will discuss some later papers. Thank you.